Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can create folders in Gmail. So in this case, log into your Gmail first. Go to your Gmail. Then you will find here settings icon. This one. Just click on this, and you'll find see all settings. Click on see all settings. Then go to labels, the second option. Scroll down and you'll find at very bottom labels. Click on create new label, this one, and name your folders like Google. Now you can choose the folder category. What should be the category? Or you cannot do this. If you cannot do this, just click on create. Now how you can find this? You can see here your Google or your new folder has created. Now how to send mails to this email, like go to inbox, choose this Google, click on just right click on that specific mail, and you will find here move to option. Just put your cursor here and you'll find the pop-up small window. So choose the folder where we want to send this mail. If I click on Google, because I have already created this folder, so I'm choosing this folder to send Google. Again, right click, move to, go to Google, or any folder you can choose. Just I'm showing you. You can see here two messages or emails has been delivered or transferred to this new folder Google. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.